Is there a difference between heater maintenance and a heater repair service?
We want to come out and check your draft, number one, for safety. Just make sure the air's flowing up or the combustion's flowing up the chimney and there's no restrictions. We want to check the airflow in your system if it's a furnace. And if so, change the filter that there's no air restrictions, because that could make the system run longer and harder and lead to wear and tear and kind of break down prematurely for what it's expected to. And we want to check your electrical components to make sure there's no brittled wiring that might lead to a service call in the wintertime. It's more of preventive maintenance to prevent any repairs. Now, what's a repair? It's an emergency call in a sense. Like there's no heat in the building or your house, and it's a cold January day. We go out and we diagnose what the problem is. If it's a part or if it's some type of adjustment that we have to do. And those can be costly repairs. They can be, because they could be after hours or on a holiday or a weekend. And that's what the fall maintenance is trying to prevent. We're trying to prevent those emergency calls when it is 7 degrees outside. So it doesn't guarantee that your system's not going to break down, but what it does, it guarantees if you have a maintenance plan with us, we're going to respond that day. And whether it is a holiday, whether it is at night, we're a 24-hour emergency service. So if you have a maintenance plan, one of our technicians is going to come out. If you don't have a maintenance plan, unfortunately, the people who do have the maintenance plan go to the front of the line. So it's always a great idea to have that. It's a little peace of mind knowing that if it does break down, our techs are going to know that you're a customer and we're going to come out and see what's wrong. And all of our technicians are going to have on their cell phone or tablet the history of what we've done at that property to that system, or if you have multiple systems, what system to check. And it has a history of what repairs we've made or what maintenances we've done. So it is a great idea to get on the maintenance plan, get that done early in the fall, and you don't have to worry about it at all. And if you do, when it does break down, you can call us and we're going to respond and be out there real quick.